Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and Ramadan Kareem to all the Muslim brothers and sisters. Today we're making the special Egusi soup.
Every time I pray for better days, every day feel it coming on the way, gotta step on every pace and no matter what.
So these are all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I have some ground egusi seeds that I have grinded. I'll be using that. Then I have my vegetable, and this is the vegetable that will make the soup really special. It is oha leaves. I'll be making the egusi soup with these oha leaves. So I have washed it thoroughly and I'll be shredding it with my hands later. I learned you don't cut with a knife, so I'll shred that with my hands later. Then I have some smoked fish. I have some Uziza leaves that I have sliced thinly. I have some palm oil. I have some pepper mix, and in here I have habanero peppers. I have scotch bonnet peppers. I have red bell peppers. I have some garlic and ginger and some onions. I just grinded that and then boiled that down. Then I have some meat stock. This I got from boiling the meats I'll be using for this recipe. Then I have some fresh Cameroon pepper. I have some cow skin, also known as bomo. I'll be using that. Then I have some beef mixed with some offals, some towels, some tripe, and all of that. I'll be combining all of this to prepare this very special delicacy. To a clean pot, I'll add in my palm oil, and as you can see, the pot was already really hot, so the palm oil quickly heated up. And to that I'll add in some of that pepper mix and just stir that until it is well fried. Now halfway into frying, I'll add in the fresh Cameroon pepper just so it can release its flavor and aroma. I'll add that in and then stir that together and allow that fry until all this pepper mix is well fried. And once that is well fried, I'll add in our meat stock and just stir that together. To that I'll add in our smoked fish. I'll add in the beef and the tribes and all that. Then I'll add in our cow skin, also known as bomo. I'll add in some crayfish powder. Then I'll stir that and taste for seasoning before I adjust accordingly. Now once I have adjusted the seasoning, I'll cover and allow that cook. So while that is cooking, I'll come and mix egusi, and this is what I am doing right now. I'll just mix that with some water and use a spoon to mix that thoroughly. So I'll just do that behind the camera and you would see what it looks like when I'm done. And this is exactly what it looks like after I have mixed it. And now our meat stock has cooked thoroughly. It's time to check it. And once I am happy with the taste and the consistency, I'll begin to add in our egusi paste. Now once I am done dropping all the egusi, I'll cover and allow that cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. And while that is cooking, I'll come and shred our oha leaves, and this is how you do it. This is how I was taught to do it. I learned you don't use a knife, so I'll just do that with my hands, just like tearing it off. So I'll do the rest behind the camera. So once that is done, I'll check on the egusi and then stir that so that it doesn't burn, and gently break up some of those lumps and allow it to continue to cook. Now I'll continue to break all of that lumps until it is well broken down. Then I'll add in some water so that this egusi can cook properly, and then I'll just mix that together. Just mix it together. And then it is at this point I'll taste for salt, and then I'll go ahead and adjust accordingly. Then I'll just stir that and cover and allow it to continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while the egusi soup is cooking, I was actually preparing the swallow I'll be having the soup with, which is some tun shinkafa, also known as rice fufu or rice swallow. So I'll just check on that and stir that very well, and then I'll go back to our soup, and it is time to add in our vegetables. So I went in first with oha leaves, and then I'll just stir that until it is well combined with the egusi soup. Now if you like your soup to be a little bit runny, no problem, you can always add in as much water as you want, but I love my egusi soup a little bit on the thick side, which is why you can see this consistency. Feel free to do whatever it is that suits you, but just continue to stir that, and then it is time to add in our Uziza leaves. Be careful not to add too much so you don't overshadow the taste with the Uziza leaves. So I just added that, and I'll continue to stir. So once the leaves are well mixed in, I'll now add in a bit of our remaining fresh Cameroon pepper, and for a bit of pop of color, I'll add in some red Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll just mix all of that together. And if you have watched up to this point and you like what you see, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Help me grow this channel. And I'll just allow this steam for a bit, and it is as good as ready. So I'll just go ahead now and plate our tun shinkafa, and as you can see, our soup is ready. So please don't forget to share with your friends, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave me a comment, and of course subscribe. To our Muslim brothers and sisters, may God Almighty accept all of our fasts, all of our prayers in this holy month of Ramadan. Thank you so much. Continue to eat healthy, continue to stay safe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.